Welcome everybody. Today we've got the S.H.A.R.C flying submarine and Deep 6, his pilot slash diver. He's, probably the least posable of all the Joes. The legs do not move at all, just his arms, and they are strictly up and down. Originally it came with like a little pump, so you could make him either sink or float depending on how you pulled a vacuum or filled him with air. He was a fun little guy to play with in the tub. I remember that when I was little. Of course, the S.H.A.R.C itself, I had one of the torpedo slash missile situations going there. It's got, I thought this was, once I saw this, I'd forgotten about it. I thought this was cool. Pop-up cannons of some sort. They look like muzzle, not muzzleloaders, or what do they call it? Muskets. The old pilgrims used to have, supposedly. So we're coming up on Thanksgiving here in the States. I have no idea how I managed. That sticker must have went on before I assembled it, because there's no way I could have got that back in there. And as you can see, the stickers put on by an 8-year-old, they're pretty much all crooked and all in the wrong place. But I liked it. I'm pretty sure it's got styrofoam on the inside, so it floats itself, and it actually stays. If I'm remembering correctly, it stays level. I feel almost positive I've seen the canopy somewhere, but I don't know. That could just be in my imagination, or I could have seen it. Could have been something else. But if I do find the canopy, I'll throw something on to show that I put it back in. He just sort of slid in there, and that was his piloting position, was to lay down flat. I guess you could assume there's some kind of screen up there for him to watch. But there's not a lot of wiggle room in there for him. Like I say, I'm still tickled by those things. Have also lost the engine cover. Rudder fins flip and flop. Let's see, you got some kind of propulsion there, it looks like. Like those the pegs for the torpedoes or missiles or whatever. It's odd they've got, I don't know if it'll show on camera, but they're curved for like the missile to go sideways rather than front to back. Well, I guess they're curved on both ends, but it looks, there's a pretty good gap there on top of the missile. Let's see. Other than that, it's not a lot of other features going on here. It's just a cool looking vehicle for its day. So let me see real quick how quick I can Google what that acronym they said stood for. See if I can find out. No Joepedia S.H.A.R.C. Well, it does submersible high-speed attack and reconnaissance. So they were really stretching that acronym. But got the flying shark logo on the side. I was like, this was a fun little thing, and I like it. So I was tickled when I found it. I'd forgotten it even existed until I pulled it out of storage, and I'm proud to have it. And hopefully I can find that canopy and make it complete. But anyways, thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.